You can see the living area over here. So now they have provided a spacious kitchen area over here. So this is the space, the spacious and huge one. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at the World of Joy project, which is located in Miapur, Aminpur Mandal, Hyderabad, a project by Urban Rise developer. And today we are here to check their 3 BHK sample flat. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, this is the marketing office of the World of Joy project. And the land parcel is just beside the sales office itself. So this is the land parcel and you can see the construction work. Now let me show you the location of the project. So this is the Coca-Cola road over here. So this road over left hand side connects you towards the Aminpur lake and on the right hand side connects you towards the Miapur main road. Now let me tell you that what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, wherein Housey we connect you directly with developer because the listing is done by the builder and not the broker. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now before the sample flats, let's do the project overview. So this is your project coming up in 10.6 acres in which they are coming up with 5 towers. So each tower will be having 2 basement, 4 podium, ground plus 42 floors with 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK 2T, 3 BHK 3T and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's check the amenities. So this project is coming up with 200 plus luxurious amenities like of let's check with the help of this 3D model. So as you can see, this is the wave pool, the kids play area, skating ring and there is the rooftop amenities. So just imagine with the amenities on 42nd floor. So this is the rooftop amenities in which they are coming up with restaurant, cafeteria, sitting area, even the garden area on the rooftop, and all the towers are interconnected with the skywalk itself. And this is 1 lakh square feet clubhouse. So in clubhouse also there is the mini theater with the swimming pool. So there are total 4 pools. And over this side they are coming up with the half basketball court. Again the kids play area on the podium level and many more. So now let's check your 3 BHK with 2T of 1509 square feet super built up area. Let's check. So once you enter from your main entrance, this is your living area. You can see the living area over here. How spacious and beautiful it is, right? So with living area, they have provided you with a balcony. So this is the balcony area. A spacious one which is 2-side open and with toughened glass railing with wooden finishing with andesite tiles over here. Now moving towards the dining area. So exactly beside the living area, they have provided the dining area. You can check the dining area, how big and spacious it is, right? So easily you can set 8 to 10 seaters of dining table over here. Now exactly in front of the dining area, they have provided the kitchen area, which is much easily accessible. So now they have provided a spacious kitchen area over here with enclosed dry balcony. So this sort where I'm standing is a dry balcony, comes with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now after the kitchen and dining area, let's check the rooms. So over here this side are the 3 bedrooms, number 1, number 2 and number 3. So let's check the bedroom number 1 over here. So this side, firstly, let's check the common washroom. Comes with the sink outside and here is the common washroom with andesite tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now exactly beside the common washroom, this comes the bedroom number 1. Isn't it spacious, right? So this is the bedroom number 1, comes with a big window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now, after this room, let's move towards the another bedroom. And one thing to mention that in this room, they have provided a corner window. So this was a corner window. Now, exactly besides this bedroom comes the bedroom number 2. So this is the bedroom number 2, the spacious one. As you can see, they have made interior like of the workspace or else the study space over here. The wardrobe space comes over this side. Now let's move towards the bedroom number 3, that is the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what all key features Housey provides you. So Housey provides you with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos and the pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme and EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour of each and every project. And all this feature under one platform, that is www.housey.com. But for that, you have to do one thing, that is go and register yourself on housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now, without wasting any time, let's move towards the master bedroom. So this is the entrance of the master bedroom. Let's check. So this is the space, the spacious and huge one. Like inside the bed space, there is ample of space to move around inside the bedroom itself, with the wardrobe space over here, and even they have provided a separate space over this side. So even this is a storage space. Now there is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose just behind me, and even here there is a window again for ventilation and lighting purpose. And even this bedroom comes with the attached washroom over this side. So here comes the attached washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are at Miapur location in Hyderabad. Have you checked another project on this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for more details of this project, do not forget to click on the I button. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe. Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.